Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have a review and unboxing of the limited edition Bitcoin wallet from Ballet Crypto. This is pretty cool because I just received this today and it came with a little thank you note. Let me read it for you. It says, please accept this gift of appreciation from Ballet, our limited edition 2021 bull market wallet expresses our confidence in the future of cryptocurrency. Thank you for your continued leadership in the crypto industry. We wish you great health and prosperity in 2021 with love from Ballet. So, pretty cool. I didn't know I was a leader in the crypto industry. Oh well. All right, so let's unbox this. It's pretty cool. Ballet Rio Series Bitcoin wallet, 24 karat gold-plated stainless steel. Oh. All right, comes up easy enough to open, peel. So we'll do that, right? Ooh, satisfying. Oh my God! Check it out. All right, so. Okay, so this thing is encased in a block of acrylic. How the hell do I take this off? Oh, okay, yeah, I get it now. It's magnetized, very, very nice. So, oh, nice. Yeah, it's held by magnets. So let's put this off to the side. So this is the 24 karat gold-plated wallet. All right. Very, very nice. So what this is a Bitcoin wallet. It is the world's first non-mechanical offline Bitcoin wallet, and its features is extremely easy to set up. Like this is already set up. You see it here? This key, this public key here. That is my Bitcoin public key for you to send me Bitcoin. So if you want to send me some Bitcoin, here you go. Send it to that address right there. Scan the QR code, send me some Bitcoin. So yeah, it feels really, really cool. It's yeah, cool. So yeah, how it works is basically this is your receiving address to receive Bitcoin, and if you want to send Bitcoin, what you do is you peel off the receiving address, and then underneath the receiving address is your Bitcoin private address, and then you also scratch off this passphrase. And then using that, you can send money away. Right, so what you do is, I'll show you. You do it with the Ballet app. So let me fire up the Ballet app. And so here's a Ballet app here. First thing we do is we scan. I can scan this, so scan. Ooh. Oh, cool. So yeah, there it is. There it is. So now it's been added, and I can see there is my gold wallet, and right now it says my balance is 0. But if someone were to send me some money, this would change. This would change. So as you can see, there's no need to worry about creating your 24 C words or no complicated setup process. Out of the box, it is ready to use. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can, like this. Someone to send you Bitcoin, just show them that, send you Bitcoin. Or you can, if you don't have this, you can just use your app. You can just say, okay, yeah, send me some money. So go like that, and they can just send it, the key is on your app too, so they can send it via the app. And if you want to, or you can buy Bitcoin, and the app has you can buy Bitcoin right from the app. So that's pretty cool too, because normally you would have to buy Bitcoin from, say, Coinbase, and then after you buy the Bitcoin, you got to transfer the Bitcoin from Coinbase to the wallet. And then you do that, there's a small transfer fee that you need to pay. This way, you just buy the Bitcoin and they automatically transfer it to this wallet. So this is for people who want to get into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but doesn't understand it, doesn't understand the setup process, doesn't understand anything about C words and all the other stuff that's associated with cryptocurrency. This is a very, very easy way for people from age 9 to 99 to learn about cryptocurrency, get set up, get Bitcoin, accept Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, store Bitcoin. Right? So, cool. All right. Now, there are a few downsides to using this wallet. The first is, the first downside is, see this public key, this key here, and as well as the private key? That was created by Ballet. Most Bitcoin wallet, like I don't have it here, but anyway, like a ledger or a code card, most Bitcoin wallet, you create the private keys for your wallet. And this one is created for you. That's why it's ready to go out of the box. You can use it right now. The problem with that is that, well, there's an old saying in cryptocurrency, and that is, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. See, this key was not created by me, it was created by Ballet. And then, so there's a security issue. Like, how do you know they don't have a copy of this key somewhere? All right? So now they say that they use a two-factor key generation. Like the key is generated in China, and this passphrase is generated in Las Vegas, and they're done in offline computer that's not connected to the internet, two separate groups of people that don't talk to each other. So they say that this is perfectly safe. And I'm sure the company means well, and I'm sure they have security procedures in place, but in the back of my mind anyway, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Like, I trust the company, but I can't say the same thing about the employees in the company. Like, how do we know that they didn't take a picture of the key? And even though they're two countries apart, how do we know that, the two people in two countries aren't communicating with each other to, record this information and stuff? So not your keys, not your Bitcoin. So because of that, I would be hesitant to put large amounts of money on this crypto wallet. A couple $100, okay, sure. It makes a great gift because it looks really nice, and this would make a beautiful gift. I mean, look at this display and everything. Put it together like that. And yeah, like this is it's beautiful. Look at it. I mean, it looks great. But because I did not create the key, I wouldn't put too much money in it. Like, I'll give it away as a gift. Maybe put a few $100 in it, give us a gift, great. But if I'm storing large quantities of Bitcoin, like over $10,000, I would use another solution. And by the way, Ballet does have another solution. They have this is called the Real Series. Yeah, this is called the Real Series, but you have a Pro Series where you create the key, right? So they do offer this in a Pro Series where you create the key. So therefore, I would feel more confident in that series. But this, great for looks. Yeah, it looks great. I mean, I'm gonna display this like proudly. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And anyway, this thing sells for $99, $99, and it's limited. This is a limited series. Like, yeah, it's the limited. Is it the 2021 Bull Market Limited Edition? It is limited to 999 units, and I got one of them. So there's 998 more available, I suppose. Anyway, you can, if you're interested, you can find out more about this wallet at balletcrypto.com. I'll have a link below this video if you want to pick one up or pick a few up. They're available in 1 pack, 3 packs, and 5 packs, I believe. And if you don't want the fancy gold, you don't need the 24 karat gold plated, it is available in stainless steel. I think it starts at about $35, but or you can pay for the fancy gold one that's encased in acrylic for $99. There you go. Yeah. Anyway, thank you to Ballet for sending this to me. I wasn't expecting it. I assume that it's a Chinese New Year gift. So thank you very much for sending that. And to you guys out there, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you enjoy it, hey, send me some Bitcoin. Yeah, send me some Bitcoin right there. John Xiao from johnxiao.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel. And once again, send me some Bitcoin.